Hey guys, today I have gotten my i3 running. My friend brought over another stepper driver because I've had two bad stepper drivers. So I got that problem worked out. And this is the first print. It looks a little weird because this filament's awful. It's the one on the left. Some weird brand my friend gave me. I'm about to switch over to Hatchbox after this print and change some settings. There's certainly some fine tuning that needs to be done, but for a first print, that's pretty decent. So next, I need to level my bed. It's not looking right. Alright, the print just finished. Let's go ahead and pull this off. Oh, it's freaking fragile. Yeah. Jeez, that filament's awful. Yeah, I can't even get it off right. Let me grab my scraper. Yeah, I need to do some layer adjustment. Come on, focus. Yeah. What I saw that seemed interesting to me was inside of there. That little lip. I can't get it to focus. Oh well. But yeah, there's a little lip inside of there. I think from where it's moving, it's just leaving a little strand. See if there's something behind it, see if I can break that off. I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and level the bed. Okay, now I'm trying to get the x-axis level. I had a problem with the potentiometer. The voltage was set too low, I believe. Okay, it's still uneven. Let's get a level. See if I can find one real quick. Got a bunch of crap in the store. Okay, I got one. Let's make sure the table's level first. Somewhat. Not really. Okay, that's even worse. So it needs to go so it needs to go down. Trying to make it even with the unlevelness of the table. That looks about right. Let's go down. Yeah. That's as good as we're getting. Okay. Now I need to level the bed. Alright, now I have to change the homing speeds of Z. I don't know if I can. Yeah, there we go. Where's it at? Right there. It was at 460, and I changed it to 3. So, because the Z-axis, it was moving too fast when I hit home. I can move it perfectly when I was using the manual controls over here. But when I hit home, it went too fast and just screwed everything up. Okay, it's done uploading. Let's minimize that. And connect. Okay. Oh, that's so much better. Sweet. Okay, let's go ahead and flip my printer around. Alright, so, got it printing. Okay. That's a belt tensioner. I mean, a belt coupler, so I can put together two belts without using tie wraps. So that's about it for this update. It's kind of a longer one. So, if you have any questions, just comment below and ask them. Okay, thanks for watching.